So I'm now showing you the Docker network, how to manage Docker their network, Docker network ls. You see there are different type of network already present there. Uh, some network is the bridge network, some is the host network, some is the null network. Okay. So if I create a new network, Docker network create, Docker network create, and my test network, it created the network for the Docker. If I click again the Docker network ls, you see my test network is present there. By default, when you are creating any network, it present in the bridge network. Okay, so if I investigate this Docker inspect, then time copy your network name. It will show you how many application is the IP address, and if any application is connected with the network, it will also show there. Okay, suppose I am creating another nginx server, docker uh, docker ps docker ps. You see, uh, so I have a command for 1 minute. Okay, so I am creating another nginx server. Suppose here port is 8081, and this time I am adding it network hyphen it. It's a best practice if you are using multiple application. That time use create a network and connect all this application with that particular network. Otherwise, sometimes it's not resolve the DNS and your application connectivity, you are facing some issue. So that is the reason best scenario using the network. So I am adding my network with the container and the network, and also need to rename 1 2 3. If I open this, if I click this, paste, sorry, the issue is I forget to add the backslash. Copy this and again clear and paste. You see another nginx server also created. If you click the 8181, same information showing because I am mount with volume, and here is the volume is already mount. Okay, so now if I again investigate my network, docker inspect, and click the paste button, you see a container also connected with the network. Okay, so yeah, you see the name, mine now created container name is sam nginx 123. It also showing that the this network, this container is already connected. If I add another nginx, that is 1234, and uh, the port must be need to change 82, and click copy this and paste this. You see another nginx container also created 82 port. If I now investigate again my network, you see the previously it's showing only a one container is connected this network. Now you see the two container also connected with the container. So now it's not possible for you delete the docker volume, docker network delete, docker network delete my test network, paste. So pruning, remove all unnecessary, remove one or rm, sorry, docker rm command, docker network rm. So it's not deleting because two container also running using this network. So how can we remove the network? First of all, we need to remove the container docker rm -f. Suppose I am removing all my nginx container, copy, paste, rm -f. Sometimes copy is not working smoothly. So paste, and you can also delete multiple container using a single command. Only need to space and add the name. Suppose you think only name is sufficient, I can use two name and one for the id. Copy and the paste. Now see, 3 nginx container is deleted. If I click the docker ps, only redis and msSQL server is running, others container is deleted. You can also restart your container using docker restart and the copy paste. The container is restart. You can also stop any container, docker, instead of restart you can write stop. The container is stopped. It how can understand? If you click ps, you see the redis is not showing there. If I click -a, you see all the running and the stop all side of container also showing there. So I think hopefully this 2 or 3 video I will teach you the basic command of docker, and hopefully you enjoyed this section. Next part I am starting how to create the compose file for the uh, my environment, for my application, and then I will tell you why the compose file is needed. Okay, bye.